Hey, good morning folks, it's JT here. Say, I wanted to make a short video on my small game hunting rucksack and some of the things that I carry in it. Some of the things are out of it right now, and I'll try to explain what those are, and I'm going to try to get this video done quick so that I don't have any trouble posting it. So let's get on with it here. Alright, this is my small game hunting rucksack. It may look really heavy, but I mean, it's not bad. So right off the bat on the back here, knife sharpener, GPS. Now when I get out of my truck, when I get where I'm going, I get out of the truck, first thing I do is tag the truck as a waypoint. That way if I get turned around or I get lost, I can go on my GPS, look up my truck, and it'll take me right back to it. So let's dig into this thing here. On the outer compartment, I have a flashlight, plastic bags. There's Walmart bags inside of here, so I can take my trash out, things like that. Latex gloves, rubber gloves for cleaning game, or if I have to use the bathroom in the middle of the woods, or you never know. Okay, that's everything in that pocket. Now, the other outside pocket. I have extra battery power for my cell phone and the cord that goes with it. In here, a little magnifying glass. If I lose my glasses or anything like that, I can use that. I can also use that to start a fire if I have to. Magnesium fire starter. I don't really like these, but it's in there. This is an Altoid tin, and it's filled with little cotton balls that have been soaked in Vaseline. I always carry those with me. I got a couple of hot dog cookers. If I have to shoot some game and cook it over a fire, I can do that. I got 2 of them. Spare batteries. I got 2 of those in here. Hand sanitizer. Lighter. If you notice, I got the lighter wrapped right there so the button can't get pushed down easily and lose the fluid. And my fire starter kit in here. This is a blast match. This is a little peanut lighter. This here is extra lighter fluid. It's a container full of lighter fluid. Up top here, I got a whole bunch of little cotton balls that are soaked in Vaseline, and they're in little Ziploc baggies. It's in a waterproof container that I can put right around my neck. And that's everything for that pouch. So let's continue on. I'll move this stuff out of the way here. And the main pouch. In the main pouch, glow sticks, TP. Never know when that's going to come in handy. Cordage. Compressed towels. Soak them in a little bit of water, and then it's a full-size towel. More compressed towels in a waterproof container. Spare batteries for the GPS. Snake shot. number 4 shell shot for 38, 357. I always carry one of those on me, so more spare ammo. This here is char cloth for starting fires. I got a few tins of those and a few tins of punk wood, and they don't weigh nothing. They're very light. So that's the char cloth. That's the punk wood. I keep them in Ziploc bags, and I keep rice in there, keep any moisture out. That way it keeps them nice and dry and they'll light easy. Pocket knife, another pocket knife, a little sewing kit. You just never know when it's going to come in handy. You might have to sew your pants or a wound. And that's it inside the bag. Some of the things that's missing are, sorry about that phone, folks. I'm just gonna hang that for now. Sorry about that. Some of the things that's missing is a couple of large trash bags, like the kind you use for your yard work outside. Because if it rains, you can always cut a hole for your neck and your sleeves, and you wear that. Or you could just cut it for your neck and then hunch underneath it and stay warm and dry. A little Mylar blanket, I got one somewhere. I need to put it back in there. Snacks, I always put snacks in there. Whatever I'm hunting with, whether it's a 22 or a hunting rifle for bigger game, I always carry spare ammunition in there. And this is in addition to what I always carry on my person and my vest and stuff. And I have a video on that you can look up. But that's just a basic idea of what I carry in my small game pouch. I need to put my little first aid kit back in there, and some water. Of course, you need water. Probably gonna get one of those little water filter straws too. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a blessed day. Take care.